Hey there beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you 3 beauty don'ts that you should do. Before we started, don't forget to subscribe our brand new channel. First up, never skip sunscreen. It's the ultimate protection against harmful UV rays. Also, don't forget to use an eye primer to prevent creasing and fading of your eyeshadows. Next, make sure to apply a face primer before your foundation for a smoother and longer-lasting base. Avoid overplucking your eyebrows. Instead, embrace their natural shape for a more youthful and flattering look. Don't go overboard with contouring. Less is more when it comes to creating a natural-looking sculpted face. Instead of using a harsh, dark lip liner, try using a lip brush to blend your lip color for a softer and more seamless finish. Avoid applying too much powder, as it can make your skin look dry and cakey. Opt for a light dusting instead. Don't forget to clean your makeup brushes regularly to avoid bacteria buildup and prevent breakouts. Avoid applying mascara on your lower lashes if you have small eyes, as it can make them appear even smaller. Lastly, don't forget to remove your makeup before bed to keep your skin healthy and prevent clogged pores. So there you have it, 3 beauty don'ts that you should definitely do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.